What if your perfect customers are bouncing off your website because they don't understand your offering? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can audit your landing pages through your ICP's eyes using Team-GPT. In this video, I'm going to show you how to audit your landing page through your ideal customer's eyes using Team-GPT. We're starting here in a project that I've called Landing Page Analyzer. That has comprehensive instructions on how to analyze our page. If you don't have additional brand assets that are already attached to your project, such as ICP, website, homepage, etc., the AI will ask you to provide it. For the sake of this example, I'll let the AI ask me, but we can always do that if we already have them in our workspace. Add them via the context library. I vibe coded a landing page and a home page just for this example so I can show you. So let's say we have this, we're launching this new product. As you can see, the AI has asked us to provide it with the ICP and the homepage, so we'll do exactly that. From another project, I've already generated the ICP. And I'll also provide it with the homepage that I've type coded earlier for this example. Now for the magic. Team-GPT will analyze our landing page through our ICP's perspective. It's scanning the page content, evaluating the clarity of our value proposition, checking if the messaging resonates with our target, and identifies any potential points for confusion. Now, finally, we get the comprehensive overview. This is extremely valuable, especially when you're running an A/B tests or need quick fixes for an already running campaign. Provides you with score breakdown, a total clarity score, areas to simplify, and does a comprehensive rewrite for you to use. In our tools section, we also have a quick landing page clarity analyzer, but remember that in project knowledge, we can apply all of our brand context for optimal output, which we cannot do here. That's it. Hope you find this playbook useful. Let me know what workflow I should show you next.